Welcome. My name is Santo Calarco. I've been a minister in Australia for well over 40 years. I have pastored various churches of various denominations. I've earned a doctorate degree and have taught theology at uni. I've thrown it all away. I'm sick and tired of the way religion controls people with rules and regulations and teachings that are not in the Bible. I'm sick and tired of the way religion looks down at its nose at people that it excludes and doesn't agree with. I don't care if you're gay, lesbian, LGBTQ, nothing. We are all children of God. Everyone is welcome here. You will see me post short videos 2-3 times a week where I'm going to challenge the very heart of Christian belief. And I'm going to share with you the freedom that God has provided for us in Christ Jesus. Welcome to this page. Strap in, because we're going to challenge a lot of sacred cows. You're welcome to my page.